Fondues are great. They get everybody involved in the meal, and we're going to show you a way to make it quick and easy.
Being from Belgium, I cannot think of a better way to end a dinner than with a chocolate fondue, which I'm going to prepare for you right now. To start, we are going to use bittersweet chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate. Now keep in mind, moisture and chocolate do not mix. Level 6, 3 minutes. Please make sure that every minute or so, you'll stir the chocolate in order to make sure that everything is melted correctly. The next step in the recipe will be to heat up our cream flavored with orange zests, a little bit of Grand Marnier, honey, and a pinch of salt. A minute has passed, and we certainly want to stir the chocolate for a moment. This will assure that the chocolate melts evenly. A fondue is actually really fun to enjoy amongst friends and family members alike. Everybody can dip their own favorite piece of fruit. So another minute has passed. We're going to check our chocolate again. I can tell you this smells absolutely exquisite. Once our fondue is ready, obviously you could dip a variety of items and products of your choice. We have today marshmallows, pineapples, strawberries, bananas, pound cake, but also kiwi perhaps at times, pretzels, or anything that you may find exotic, mangoes, papayas perhaps, all skewered and dipped at the table by your guests to enjoy. Our chocolate is ready. Right now we are going to warm up our cream. Level 10, 2 minutes. Our cream is ready. Be careful, it'll certainly be hot. Now you want to let this rest for about 10 minutes or so in order for the zest to really release its flavor. So let's proceed. We are going to mix the cream into the chocolate. In doing so, we are going to certainly strain in order to prevent those orange zests to be in the chocolate.
Once the cream has been strained, you're going to need to mix it with the chocolate. To help you do that and make it easy, warm the chocolate up for a few seconds in the microwave.
A quick stir, just to make sure that the cream is fully incorporated. And it'll take let's say 20 seconds, 25 seconds, just to make sure that everything is incorporated at the same temperature. And your fondue is about ready to be enjoyed by your guests. Actually, as you're the chef in the kitchen, there's always a step to be taken before your guests enjoy your food, and that is to taste. Wow. Our fondue is now ready to be enjoyed with family and friends, and it was all made using a Panasonic microwave. Now, chef still has to try your favorite berry.
One last tip. Dry your washed fruits so when you dip them into the fondue, the chocolate sticks to the fruit.
Excellent.
Well, there you have it. For these and many more recipes, come to my virtual test kitchen at panasonic.com/inverter.